If you're new to trading and looking for a strategy that might work for you, then watch this video and as I analyze today's activity before the market opened to see how the rest of the day plays out. My name is Vi. I've only been trading for a few years and I'm still chasing profitability, but I'm hoping that the strategies I use will get me there eventually over time. With that, let's jump into the charts. All right, so I only trade three pairs or three assets right now. One is a future for M. We are bearish. We have a pretty big supply zone here that was created that helped break structure to the downside. I'm marking up this whole area here since for me that's representative of the move. You can see that this 1 hour buy to sell really initiated the move, and so I'm prioritizing that and then cutting it off at the 50% level of the leg itself. So I don't want to do anything until price enters this golden zone area. So I've set my timer there. My expectation is that price will move up, give a 1 minute entry signal. I can enter on a point of interest and then seek lower prices. That is the play for MYM. For USCAD here, we are bullish on the 15-minute. Similarly, I've identified a demand zone in this case that I'm prioritizing. Now, the reason it's much bigger than my other zone is because I'm identifying this weak low here. I've identified this as a weak low because it failed to take this high here. We can see that London swept the current high and then gave a move down, suggesting that there are significant sellers in that area. When price tried to do that again, it failed. It did not break above London high and moved down again. So my expectation is that this low will get swept at the open. We'll dip into this area, find more buyers, and then hopefully have enough strength to continue higher. So that's the hypothesis for USCAD here. And then finally for EuroCAD, very similar, almost exactly the same. In fact, this is a very large trading zone I'm working with right now. It goes from this high to from this low to this high. And so we've had a lot of internal changes in movement. And right now we're bullish, which is the direction we want to be, since it aligns with internal 15-minute order flow. Similarly, we've identified a weak low here because it failed to take this high. Yes, it ran through liquidity for Asia and London, but this is the high that we really want to measure against. It's also a previous day high. And so this tells us that there is seller pressure here. And I suspect they'll take this internal liquidity, dip into this demand zone, and find sellers. And if I can get my entry signal, I'll target higher prices. So those are the three plays for today. Hopefully this video helped give you one impression of how you can read market and price action. And if this video was helpful for you, I have tons of back testing videos that I'm starting to build since I am a new channel. Click over to see if any of those are helpful to you, and I'll see you there.